Locating places on the earth. Let us do 10 important short question answers from the chapter. So the first question is, what is a map and what are its components? A map is a drawing or representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. Components of a map. Title tells what the map shows. Scale shows the relationship between distance on the map and actual distance. Legend or key explain the symbol used on the map. Direction usually shows north, south, east and west. Symbol represent different features like road, river and cities. Name the cardinal point and cardinal direction. Cardinal points are the four main directions: north, south, east and west. Cardinal direction are the direction used for navigation, which include the cardinal point north, south, east and west. Next, why mapping the earth is a little more difficult? Because our planet is not a flat surface. In practice, we consider the earth is to be spherical. Representing a sphere accurately on a flat sheet of paper is not possible without distortion of shape, size, distance or direction. What is difference between physical and political map? So it is in a tabular form. Physical map shows natural features of the earth like mountain, river, desert and plain, whereas political map shows boundaries of country, state and district. Physical map represent the relief, height or shape of land using color and shading, whereas political map indicates cities, towns and important administrative capitals. Physical map help in understanding geography and natural environment of a place, whereas political map help in understanding political division and governance areas. Next is, what is thematic map? Why is it used and why is it important? So, a thematic map is a map that shows a specific theme or type of information about an area, such as population, rainfall, crops, industries, or climate. It is used to study and represent a particular subject or pattern on a map instead of general features. Now, why is it important? It helps us easily understand, compare and analyze data about different regions in a clear visual form. How symbols show numerous data in limited space available on map. So symbols help to show large amount of information in a small space by representing different features like school, hospital, road, etc. using simple sign or picture. This avoids writing long details on the map. Each symbol stands for a specific data item, making the map clear, easy to read and less crowded while still showing many details. Next question is, why parallel of latitude grows smaller as we move northward or southward? Parallel of latitude appears smaller as we move north or south from the equator because the earth is spherical, the circumference is largest at the equator and the gradually decreases toward the poles, so the circular lines become smaller. What is meridian of longitude? Why is it important? So these are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. They measure the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian in degrees. They help in locating the exact position of a place east or west on the earth. They are used to calculate local time and standard time of different places. They are important for navigation and drawing accurate maps. Question number 9 is, what is international date line? International date line is an imaginary line on the earth roughly along 180-degree longitude in the Pacific Ocean, directly opposite the prime meridian 0 degree in Greenwich, where the day changes by 1 day when it is crossed. Last question. How can the location of any place on Earth be precisely defined using latitude and longitude? So every place on Earth can be precisely located because the grid formed by line of latitude and longitude create exact coordinates. Latitude shows how far a place is north or south of the equator, and longitude shows how far it is east or west of the prime meridian, giving a unique position for each location. Okay, so this is the 10 important question answer from the chapter that is locating places on the earth, and thank you so much for watching until the end.